What is up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here's how to find out who really subscribed to your channel. I did a little bit of research. First, sign in, go to YouTube, then go to YouTube Studio, go to comments, this person right here is not subscribed to my channel. Another one, this person right here is not subscribed to my channel. This person right here, she is subscribed to my channel. How do I know this? The YouTube logo. It says she has been subscribed to my channel 5 days ago. There's another one. This person is subscribed to my channel. He was subscribed to my channel 3 months ago. There's another one. This person is subscribed to my channel. He was subscribed to my channel 5 months ago. Y'all, make sure y'all look at the YouTube logo. It's red. Right here on the bottom. That's how you tell if somebody has really subscribed to your channel or not. Thank you very much and have a good day. Thanks for watching. If you like this content, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks. Bye.